If you're in an accident and your car is not drivable and you require a rental car, you could either get the rental car from your own insurance and have your own insurance pay for the rental vehicle. If you don't have coverage for the rental vehicle, then Cohan Law Firm will contact the other car's insurance company, the car who caused the accident, presumably, and we will ask if they have coverage to pay for your rental of your vehicle. If neither insurance has coverage to pay for your rental, there are two options. Number one, you could take the car to a mechanic and get an estimate to see how much it would cost to fix, and we could add it onto your injury case at the end, or we could add the price or cost of your rental to your injury case, and when we settle your case, ask for more money to compensate you. Or the second option is to bring a separate lawsuit against the other driver for just the value of your property damage and rentals. We always tell our clients, if you're going to take out a rental and pay for it yourself, make sure you keep receipts and document how much you're paying for that rental so we could get you reimbursed. If there is insurance coverage, we'll be able to get you reimbursement from the insurance company. If there's no insurance coverage, we will explain to you your options and make a decision together on how to move forward with the case. Call Cohan Law Firm for a free consultation so we could work through these rental car issues with you.